Firstly, because this journal is empty, I'm going to get a name tag sticker so I can write down my name and who this journal belongs to. Next, I just got a giant paper clip to clip the pages together so it doesn't flip around and distract me. My hair is unfortunately in this frame and I did not know that when I was filming, so please just forgive that. I just got some quick little inspirational aesthetic stickers to break up the blankness of the pages. Next, I started my official title page for my 2021 bullet journal. I'm going for a minimalistic look, so it is quite monochromatic on the first page with some simple flower designs. Next, I busted out my connector pens from, I don't know, 3rd grade to just fill in some of the blocks and complete the title page. Next, using a double spread page, I am going to do my year at a glance. I think this really helped me get a grip on the next year to see how far it really is, as well as important for me to record some important dates such as birthdays, starts of unis, and all that. Also, see that little pen marking mistake on the 0? Don't worry, let's draw some lines all over it to make it look like it's intentional and a part of the design. Next, to break up the busyness of what was going on in the last few pages, I'm just going to put in a quote that I really enjoy on the next page. On the page beside it, I'm going to do my 2021 goals. This can range from health, school, work, whatever you want. This should be very personalized and almost acts as a New Year's resolution, but more in the long term. As you can see, I have split mine into different sections: health, socials, including social media, uni, and hobbies. You can also do this or just make it a generalized list. It is all up to you. On the next double spread page, I decided to do a letter for my future self, to motivate me throughout the year, as well as a nice reminiscent to read at the end of the year for what I wrote at the start. And because I collaged so many things on it, I had to trim it on the pages behind it and in front of it. So that's why I'm getting out the scissors. I also got some stickers to bling everything up and just to make it a bit more interesting. Now on the next page, I decided to do a page dedicated to my makeup collection because I have an unhealthy collection of makeup and I want to track my progress with it. You can customize this by using a tracker, for example your stationery, your books, whatever you want. Make it as personalized for you to help you. On the next page, I decided to do a book log as I want to read more books so I can track down what I have read, who it is by, and how long it took for me to read it, as well as give it a general rating out of 10. The setup of my bullet journal has come to an end, so I decided to put in another quote that I really enjoy just to give some extra inspiration and colour before I start my January setup. Now let's jump forward to the last page of the bullet journal. I decided to use it as a swatch test page where I can swatch out the different pens, watercolors and mediums I decide to use on my book so I can see where there are ghosts and what the colors will be and how it will last on the journal. Will it make a crinkle and all that? I think this is a really good thing to try out, especially with a new journal. Is my 2021 bullet journal setup. It is very simple, it is not much to it because I wanted to focus things mainly later on in the months individually because we never know what's going to come up. I hope these pages have given you some inspiration for your own journal and you'll try some of these out yourself. Happy journaling everyone, and bullet journaling really is something that I think will help organize our lives and just make us more proactive. I think less is more, and this is a perfect amount of things to start off with and it is very beginner friendly. I think in the future months I'm going to make it more specialized and have more individual pages set up for that, so tune in for my January setup, and I hope you have a lovely 2021. Hopefully everything is going to be over and much better than 2020. I can't wait for this year to be over. It is crazy because I feel like I'm still stuck in March somewhere. This doesn't feel real that we're in December. So yeah, let's just tune in and hope for the best for next year and see you next time. Bye!